Hi, this is Johna Johnson. I'm the CEO of Nemertes and the Content Committee Chair of the Wall Street Technology Association. And I'm here to give you a quick update on our most recent seminar on emerging information technologies. We had a really awesome panel discussion by several industry leaders. We talked about emerging technologies ranging from AI, machine learning, automation, all the way down to zero trust security, from A to Z. And what we really came away with were a handful of concrete steps that organizations and financial organizations in particular should be taking in order to take advantage of these emerging technologies. The first one is flatter organizations. So flattening your information technology organizations, and particularly anything having to do with data. Also, DevOpsify your organizations, meaning as you're assessing an emerging technology, make sure that you're not just assessing it from the standpoint of technologists, but also folks in operations and folks in the business units, so they can be looking at this and saying, okay, how is this really going to go to work in a real world environment, not just in a lab? Also, enable data literacy across the organization. That may even include having data boot camps so people understand what it means to know what data is and to know how to process it, how to analyze it, and how it can be used by AI and ML to extract information. So data literacy boot camps. Also testing the output of, as you're going through doing testing for emerging technologies, looking at, as an output of that testing, having organizational and operational changes that might be required be an explicit output of that test. So not just what does the technology do, but what will it require us to do differently in order to take advantage of this technology. And finally, engineer automation in from the get-go everywhere you can as you're assessing emerging technologies. Look at places that things can be automated that had to be manual before. Those ideas, as well as a whole lot of other ones, come from our Emerging Information Technologies panel session at the WSTA event in November 2022.